Pour me something tall and strong, make it a hurricane before I go insane. It's 5 o'clock somewhere. Let's make some more margaritas. It's Chaser. Seems like everybody really liked my take on the margarita, and thanks guys so much. I'd always planned on following the margarita up with a chaser where we do the Tequila Daisy, probably the predecessor to the margarita. So I'm gonna make that. I always want to make that, but I also got a comment that pointed out a recipe for a margarita that uses a Salt Air foam instead of a rimmed glass. I really wanted to try that out, so we're gonna do that too. So I ran out of tequila, and so I got to run to the liquor store to pick up another bottle or two. Beautiful day. It's like 75, perfect, breezy, not a cloud in the sky, very bright. Need my sunglasses. If you like the shades I'm wearing, these are shade trees. They are wooden framed, polarized glasses. Come in a lot of really cool designs. Make a quality product, they ship fast. If you like them, do me a favor. Swing by shadetreeglasses.com. You get $5 off your order. You know, they're good stuff, quality product. Neat designs, all wood, very unique. Check them out. Anyway, let's go to the liquor store, get some booze. Okay. We enter through what is called a closet, basically. You're in the kitchen. So, some of you have seen this. My tiny New York galley kitchen with a window. You might be interested to know where I keep some of my alcohol. There it is, a bunch of alcohol up there. This is the living room, bar, and bedroom. Okay, so you get a good look here. You might be saying, how is that a bedroom? Well, that device right there is a Murphy bed that I built. So I'll show you how that works. Comes right out of the wall, and I sleep here. Used to be a one-bedroom, this apartment. Used to actually have a bedroom, but now I have a kid instead. And so this little area here is a closet behind me that I have converted as best as I can to an edit room. When you think about me editing how to drink, imagine me sitting in this closet. This is the bathroom. Ooh, exciting. Did I mention that it has a window? It has a window. A lot of people might wonder why I'm pointing out my windows all the time. In New York, a window in every room is definitely not a given. It's actually kind of like a rarity. Kitchens and bathrooms don't always get windows. This is the room that used to be my bedroom. Now it is my daughter's room, and it's a mess. So, but whatever. I mentioned before that I was going to do videos about how to build a home bar, how to think about your home bar, how to lay your home bar out, basic tips and tricks, spirit categories, and all of that is going to be filmed here in what I'm calling the article bar, which is actually also my living room and bedroom. The good people at article.com saw one of my videos and decided to take pity on me, and they sent me some really fantastic stuff. If you like anything that you see here, there's going to be a link provided where you can pick that up yourself. And I'm really proud and excited to have them as a partner and sponsor of Chaser. So thanks again, guys, at Article. I really love it. This is just beautiful. Our living situation here has been significantly upgraded by Article's much needed intervention. I'm going to talk in detail more about the home bar building. That'll be another episode. What bottles to buy, that'll be another episode. Tips and tricks, all that stuff's coming. But I just needed to introduce my home to you today while we do the tequila thing. And the bar, the Article bar. This is our Salt Air Margarita. 1 ounce of lime juice. 1 ounce of the Curaçao. Only 1.5 ounces for his proportions of the tequila. Pour it. Now this drink gets topped with our Salt Air foam, which I'm going to do my best to just float onto the top of this drink. Probably enough of that stuff. All right, let's go taste this. 1/2 ounce of fresh lemon, a dash of simple, 2 ounces of 100% agave reposado tequila, 1/2 ounce of Curaçao or Grand Marnier, Top that with seltzer, believe it or not. I'm gonna garnish that with actually the sprig of mint. And that is our Tequila Daisy. Okay, so I've got my 2 drinks here. Let's give them a shot. This is our Tequila Daisy. Recipe is courtesy of David Wondrich. Okay, so for me, it's a much tartar drink, actually, than a regular margarita. In a weird way, the seltzer, although weakening the drink overall, does actually make it more acidic because of the carbon dioxide. So that drink's got a little bit more bitterness, a little bit more bite than a standard margarita. The tequila has no trouble. It's not outshone though. The tequila does well in that drink. You can really taste that tequila. It's not bad. I like it. I think I prefer a salted margarita the way I normally do, but that is not too bad, that Tequila Daisy. Okay, let's try now the Salt Air Margarita. Okay. This is wild. Really, this recipe is almost the same as my recipe. It's just a half an ounce less tequila. I'm not even concerned about that. I think I would just step it up a half an ounce in the future. I wanted to try it the way it was written the first time I have it. The salt foam is something crazy. It is ridiculous for my mustache. This is very different. I like this a lot. Full disclosure, I don't do a lot of molecular mixology type drinks. I might do some more of that in the future. I think this kind of qualifies as being in that world. For his Salt Air, his foam, I didn't have access in time to the sucrose product, which is an emulsifier that's used in molecular gastronomy and mixology type applications. I substituted it for an egg white, which works fine as far as I can tell. I got a very nice froth. I'm not so sure how different it would be with the sucrose. It's pretty cool though. It's a salted, it's whipped salt essentially. It's like whipped cream, only the opposite of sweet. It's salty. I really like this. I will definitely make this for people. So thank you for pointing this recipe out to me. This is cool, man. Hope you guys enjoyed the show. We did a couple variations here on our margarita. There's so many ways to make a margarita, and there are so many recipes. And I don't think anybody's right or wrong on that. You should make it the way that you like to make it. I actually really like the simplified margarita that doesn't really involve syrup or orange juice. Guys, thank you so much for watching. I'll see you Friday with another drink. Smash that like button, bro. Smash it. Smash them buttons. Smashing buttons. Why are we smashing buttons? I don't have a great sign-off. If anybody's got ideas for a sign-off, I would appreciate assistance on that front. So just leave me a message. Tell me what you think I should say when I close the show. Right now, I think I'm gonna go with cheers. Do I have a salty mustache, huh? A salty mustache.